I'm getting ready to go to the internet. I'm not going anywhere but to the internet. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep watching. Hey girl, hey, if you're new here, my name is BrookeEbonie. First things first, honey, this is not a tutorial or a how-to. This is literally just a chit chat and get ready with me. I have a goal of 100 videos. So I'm just trying to get to 100 videos, honey. The quality may not be all of that. I may not have all the fancy, to-dos that YouTube requires. Right now, I'm just trying to get to 100 videos, girl. So I just decided to record myself getting ready to go to the internet because that's where I'm going. I just moved to a new city and state. I just moved to San Antonio, Texas. So I'm not really like going out like that right now. Let me say I'm not going out to like any bars or clubs or anything, but I do want to start taking my content serious. So I was like, at least this is a good way for me to practice for whenever I do decide to start getting out. Now, I'm not gonna sit up here and just make it like I'm the type to just be in the clubs and in the bars, because I'm not. But I do want to get out and explore the city. I came from Little Rock, Arkansas, which is a small. I didn't even used to think it was small. Every time I say that, it just gets to me. But you will not believe how people, whenever they be like, "Where are you from?" and I'm like, "I'm from Little Rock," they'll be like, "What is that?" or "Where is that?" And I'm just like, "Dang!" Not only is it small, because San Antonio, Texas, is like the seventh largest city in the United States, so it's big. So when I got here, I was like, damn, it's definitely a difference between this and Little Rock. Like, Little Rock is small. But anywho, I'm not even gonna lie, girl, I just lost my train of thought. Yeah, so like I was saying, don't take this video as a how-to or a tutorial. This is just a simple chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm not even going to chit chat all the way through. I am just recording myself, getting myself together, because when you move to a bigger city and state, when you move to a bigger city and state, it can be, jarring, reality shattering, a little bit lonely. So I'm hoping that I can motivate, the other girls that have moved to a bigger city and state, have relocated and are trying to get into content creation. Hey, this is what I do. This is a real simple, like I wouldn't necessarily say I'm a plain Jane, but I don't do all those 20-step routines and all that stuff. I'm literally about to wash this, and I already shampooed it. I just didn't pick up the camera until I was getting to my conditioner step. So I'm really about to just wash, braid down, two big braids, not a full braid down, and slap a wig on. And then I'm going to do my little makeup, and we're just going to snap it up for the internet. That's all. So I'm going to let y'all enjoy the music, and I will come back in when I think that I need to say something. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting. If you are, trying to watch a channel grow, then definitely subscribe, because I love to watch channels start from the beginning. Because I just really be wanting to see, like, are they going to stay the same? And they never really do. Like, I'll find a new YouTuber and I'll watch them all the way up until they get like 100, 150,000, 200,000 subscribers. And they definitely change. But, we ain't supposed to stay the same. Anyways, if that's what you are trying to do, then definitely subscribe, comment, let me know. Leave a purple heart or something down below and let me know that you are here to join and support me on my journey. And if you have a YouTube channel that you are just starting, if you're blogging, whatever it is that you're doing, let me know and I will definitely support you. I will go subscribe and comment on your videos and all of the things. But enjoy the music. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running, keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why
never do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to
So I don't always like to sit under a hooded dryer. So instead what I'll do is I'll find a skull cap, put that on top of my little shower cap, and I will go outside. As adults, we don't always realize how much time we spend on the inside. So I like to go outside, get some sun, do a little walking so I can get some exercise, get some fresh air, and that just helps me to stack up the wins for the day. I get cute for the content, and I am working on my internal wellness as well.
See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are gone, baby, and my heart can't take no more, no more. My days are gone without you.
The As I Am double buttercream that I'm almost out of. I just can't believe it. Like, I feel like I buy it every other day. Now that we got the hair down and secured by the wig cap, we are going to get started on the face. And I know in the beginning of the video I said that I was going to be doing my makeup, but baby, I am a lash and lip gloss girl. I'm not doing a full face of makeup. This is just a real little basic routine that I do whenever I'm going to the internet. And plus, you know, nowadays that's what editing is for. And I didn't even use these lashes because, as you can see, they say pre-glued, and when I say that glue be tearing my eyes up, I don't know what type of pre-glue they using, but baby, no. Instead, I decided to use these, and I just grabbed these from my local beauty supply store, just like the wig that I'm about to put on. I'll pop it up on the screen because I think I forgot to show y'all while I was recording. And as you can see, I left a little bit of my hair out in the front on one side. And y'all, I ain't got no vanity. I don't have no fancy vanity. That's the little mirror that I'm going to be using to do this. But yeah, I left my hair out in the front on one side because that's how I'm going to blend this little half wig. And the look is going to just come together. It's just going to come together. Just keep on watching, girl. And if you've made it this far in the video, leave a brown heart in the comment. Just let me know how far you made it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the music.
Yeah. Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, this cat is rope. Before you drifting me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
And for the lip gloss, we are just going to use this Mare lip mask. Y'all, this lip mask was $30, but it was so worth it. I just love it. I love the way it glides on the lips. It came with this little applicator, so that's just what I use to put it on. And I will link it down below just in case anybody wants to try it. But it was I think it was like $35. It's expensive, but it is definitely, you get what you pay for. I'm glad that I bought it. And I just like to go around with a towel to make sure I get any excess off, and then I like to go on the inside and wipe that off, so that way I won't get that little white line, you know, whenever you put on too much lip gloss and you get to talking and you get that little white line on the inside. Yeah. And this is the final look. I don't even know why I didn't show my whole entire outfit. I'm getting back used to getting in front of the camera and editing and all of those things. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Ignore the fact that I was too lazy to tear off my little hanger, you know, the little white thing hanging. I was too lazy to tear it off, girl. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please comment down below, let me know, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Go ahead on and do your little jig, girl. You can tell I was feeling myself. I hope this motivates somebody to just get up and get cute for no reason. Bye.